Botani molweni dumelang sanibonani lotshani. Zidweshane zidweshakazi zikaNonkwenkwezi. I am at Hogsback, 39 steps, Waterfall. This is where I am planning to have the spiritual retreat on the 5th of March. This is where I am hoping for us to have our spiritual cleansings for those attending. Then there's a call when I'm busy. So yeah, guys, I just want you to have a look at the place, at the beauty of the waterfall. Today I am actually just driving around Hogsback looking for a perfect venue for accommodation as well as our retreat. So this is going to be one of the itineraries where we are going to come for our spiritual cleansing and hopefully a breakfast picnic on the 6th. So we arrive on the 5th of March, the afternoon of the 5th of March, have the event, the drumming session. Can we move, Galop? I need to walk, guys. On the Sunday, we then will have very early in the morning before it gets busy, because this is a tourist destination. So before it gets busy with tourists, I'm hoping to come to this place, possibly if we can make it before 7, before it gets busy, for those that will want to have a cleansing, ne? Upper Waterfall. So the evening will be a drumming session, drumming, song and dance session. There's Tamela here. Uyabulisa uThamela, sidwesha nezidweshakazi. Bayabulisa abahlekazi. So the evening we'll have a Q&A session where those that have questions, you know, for me, and possibly I'll have a few colleagues that will be assisting me. So any spiritual kind of questions, you understand, we'll have that session. We'll also have spiritual teach, basically, ne? And then later have a drumming, song and dance session in Tlombe, basically, and a braai in the evening. And then in the morning we wake up early to come here to the waterfall to have cleansings and the picnic, ne? For breakfast before people you know, take off, you know, before we leave for our different destinations, ne? So I don't want it to be a busy itinerary. It's those few items that I've mentioned. So I am going to I think watch out for information regards accommodation, in terms of where you will be making your bookings. in terms of prices as well. I'm trying to negotiate my way down here. It's a slope. It's very steep. Yeah. So yeah, this is the area, guys, I'm hoping for us to occupy. So the waterfall basically comes all the way from up there where I started with the video, and then down here. Hence it's called 39 steps, because it's like, you know, it's a rock that is actually 39 steps, literally. So here we'll have the cleansings and then have the picnic as well. It's a beautiful place. Look, they have berries. I'm not sure if we are allowed to to harvest, but it's a beautiful place, guys. We can, you know, chill around here the morning of the 6th, before we actually now leave for our different destinations. So I'm hoping you guys will let me know ahead of time, so that I am able to notify the establishment how many guests I am hoping to host. Yeah, I found a place that is a self-catering accommodation, which I found would be cheaper for most of us. I think for 6 people, it houses 6 people, like each chalet houses 6 people for 1,925. So among 6 people, you can divide that and it becomes affordable, you understand, for most of us. And then there's other, you know, obviously there are other options for people who want to come as couples, you know, want to have their own space and all. So those are the options. And then because of, you know, Hogsback is it's a mountain retreat kind of area, you understand. So there's policy around noise. I'm not sure if we will be allowed to make noise at the establishment. When I inquired, they said they will find out for me, you know, the limitations around that, you know, noise and movement. Otherwise, we might have to have the drumming song and dance session in an open field, like in the bush, open bush, which could also be nice, actually. So I just want us to get here knowing exactly, you know, what the boundaries are. So yeah, guys, I'm hoping you can see the beauty of this place. So in terms of cost, people will book for themselves, obviously. Now I'm paying for 10 subscribers that I've chosen. They will get notice soon. Some of you know already who they are. So I'm paying for 10 subscribers. The rest will have to pay for their own accommodation and also contribute towards meals. So I'm going to put a price that I hope we can all afford, and take it from there. So that's it, guys. We're going back home now. I'm gonna put up photos on my Facebook. My Facebook page is Khanya Mamkonjwa Bovula, or you can also go to Nonkwenkwezi. So I have two. The other one is Nonkwenkwezi, the other one is Khanya Mamkonjwa Bovula. Just for you guys to browse and see for yourselves and see if you will be interested. Otherwise, that's it from me. Hoping to hear from you soonest. Bye.